Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can track your OCI application status on official OCI services portal. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, when you apply for OCI, like depending upon your location, like when you apply here in Canada, this is outsourced to BLS. So you can track the status on BLS website too. But do you know there is a way you can track it on the official OCI website so that like regardless of the location you are, you can do this. So I've shown you how you can do this. So if you search on Google like online OCI service or portal, something like that, you're gonna come to this URL. Okay, here you see I have clicked on status inquiry because some confidential details are there when you do something like this. So that is why I have removed some sections and I have taken screenshots instead of a live video. So here you need to enter your passport number and then file reference number, of course, that you get when you apply online. You need to enter the captcha and click on get status. So you reach to this page. Here you get the barcode with that file reference number here at the bottom. Date of acknowledgement, registration status as mission, OCI application status, applicant name, and file reference number. And this is going to be the date and time when it is as per that. Okay. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.